Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this beautiful AUTOart model in 1 to 12 scale, which is something I have here. Yeah, I have plenty of them. And today this is another one. It's actually Lamborghini Huracán Performante in its pearl purple. Yeah, so they were available in multiple colors. It's actually not a brand new release. It's a little bit older already, but now in one no-name e-shop they had a 20% discount on every model. And I decided after 1, 2, maybe 3 years of waiting that I will finally buy this one, because now 20% down is like, I don't know, 100 euro. Yeah, which is quite significant reduction of the price. So let's go directly here and open this big box, and how to start so that I don't damage it. Yeah? Usually I have some tools for that. All right. And there is this styrofoam box. Okay. Good. Then we have the styrofoam box, and there's this AUTOart key. Oh, maybe can you see it? Yeah, this AUTOart door opening tool, and there's also a small note how to unscrew the Phillips screws. Okay, and then maybe we should start here. Also cutting here the tape, somehow removing it. Oh, interesting. It's like there's a small tape over a larger tape, so probably somebody already opened this box. I'm not the first one, and now I'm just opening it again to see what is inside. Yeah, so let's now have a look together, guys. Whew. I'm quite curious. Oh wow, the color is really awesome, and it's attached with those 4 screws. So now I don't know how to really do it. Sometimes I just do this, then I unscrew it, and then I take it out. Let's maybe follow the same process today. This was the last one, so now I think I can remove it. Okay, so what will happen now? Yeah, I kind of expected that. Yeah, so I will just remove the additional tape, and then maybe we can have a look inside. Yeah, so I will actually use this camera here and observe what is here. Yeah, so we have this paper. When I remove it and put it here, then we have quite flat undercarriage. It says here 1 to 12 Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4, and there's a little bit of dust here from the screws. Yeah, this is probably where we had the screws. You can see a little bit of the engine, just you know, very little. Then we have rubber wheels. Yeah, so not really bad. There is some kind of suspension, but I think it will not be working. Yeah, so now let's really put this camera back and let's continue. Now, how do I take it out? Yeah, so that's question number 1. Okay, here we go. Brilliant. Yeah, this color, it's not so heavy, I must say. It's quite lightweight. But now the question is how good it actually is. Yeah, so I have this camera here, but maybe I'm now thinking about how to show it to you, because you of course want to see the details. Yeah, and now if the light is there, the camera is here, then the shadows and everything, it doesn't look so great. So maybe I will change my position for a moment and show it to you from a different angle, yeah, so that you can really enjoy the details while I'm reviewing it. So I'm changing now. Good, so look at this Lamborghini, and maybe even from a different angle it will be even better, yeah, so let's check it from this angle here. And here, maybe, where do you want to start? In the back or in the front? Maybe here, yeah, look at those shapes, how it looks like. Yeah, so here the headlights, very aggressive and nice. Then here all this fender or all the details of this trim. But what is most interesting is really if we can somehow open this, and maybe I will take my door opening tool, but a plastic one. Yeah, so with this plastic one I will not scratch it. Don't worry, be happy. But it's very difficult to really push it somewhere. Yeah, so maybe now. Oh, finally. Okay, now finally I can open it. Look at the hinges here. Yeah, so it's so small and realistic. There are actually two on each side. Here we have some kind of carpeting, and there is quite a deep luggage area here. Yeah, but maybe not for a golf bag, for golf clubs, but definitely you can put your bag with groceries, yeah, 2 bananas and so on, and that would be probably it. Yeah, so not anymore, but that should be quite enough. Good, then let me also show you here the wheels. Yeah, so here, quite nice, very big, I must say. Black wheels with this brake disc, brake caliper says Lamborghini, the same also here. It's actually Pirelli tires from rubber P0 with this very little white wall, very thin. Then if we continue reviewing this, actually you have the door here, and with this Italian flag. Yeah, so it's green, white and red. That's the Italian one. And you have also here in very small letters Pininfarina. It's the person who actually designed the design of this car. And then we can also of course open it, and that's what you can do with all AUTOart 1 to 12, hopefully. And by the way, this is all plastic, yeah? So not really die-cast metal, it's plastic, but it's very nice. Look also at this interior, how it looks like inside, the steering wheel, all the details, the seats. Yeah, so very, very nice and detailed. Also here, the rubber on the rear tire. And of course, in the back, 2 big exhausts. We have a lot of details. This wing is also beautiful, but look at this color. It's not just usual flat black. There are some small particles. So is it a carbon imitation of carbon fiber or something like that? It's really unusual. Look at here also here. What kind of color is that with the small white dots? I don't know. But definitely what you can do is also open here this area, and then it goes very up, and then you can see also the engine bay. Look at that. That's very detailed, nice engine with some golden plating. Oh, it looks very nice. Yeah, so that's again something that I really like about this model. Maybe here the gap between the doors and the chassis could be a little bit smaller. Look at that. So maybe if I really push it, it doesn't stay fully closed. There's like half a millimeter of gap. Yeah, so it should stay like this. I release it, it goes back, a little bit back, there and back. I'm mad. Okay, so it's not perfect. Yes, that's what I'm saying now. Wheels can turn, hopefully. Yes, wheels can turn, of course. And suspension. No, there is not really any working suspension. Okay, so then let's open it fully. So here you have it now. And look also inside, yeah? So from this angle, do you like it? Do you hate it? Can you see it actually? Yeah, so it's always focusing on something else, not really on the interior. Yeah, but now hopefully you have this idea how this car looks like, and also here the side mirror reflective. Yeah, so overall, I must say it's nice, very nice car. Now maybe also time to compare it a little bit to some other cars from my collection. What do you think? Maybe it would be worth doing some comparison. Okay guys, so as I told you, yeah, now I have 3 different AUTOart models just in front of me. Each was like 500, 400, 500 bucks. So what you can see on my table is now like 1,500 bucks for just 3 models, which is quite expensive, yeah, but I love them so much. All of them are so unique and in 1 to 12 scale, and as I said multiple times during my videos, once you go 1 to 12, you never go back to 1 to 18. So please be careful, it's dangerous, yeah. And here actually what you can see is 3 of my best models. And yeah, so this Ford GT is so far maybe the longest and very much beautiful in this red color. It was always a little bit difficult to choose the right color, but here I have the red one. Then I have this new Lamborghini in purple. Amazing, amazing model. I like the color. When you see it from an angle, you can see the small particles, how this metallic color looks like. And then I have this blue Bugatti Chiron, which is, in my opinion, the best sports car ever created. Yeah, this beautiful W16 engine, absolutely awesome. Yeah. And now we will see more and more electric sports cars. What you can see here, they still use petrol, which is also something fabulous. And they probably also have great sound if you see them on the street, which is probably not happening every day. Okay, good. So now today, just here, those 3 models, a little bit show off here. Okay, and as I said, I love them. And today I will be just rating this new Lamborghini Huracan Performante on Pirelli tires, and it really looks so great and awesome. You can open everything, and hopefully this model will stay in my collection forever, and I will not get rid of it. It's so terrifically beautiful, astonishing. So thank you for watching, and now only time for the final rating of this one. So bye bye.